In this video, you'll get a complete step-by-step Ikigai framework, 4 powerful journaling prompts, and a real client success story, and a free worksheet to map out your own purpose-driven career. So welcome to Mindful Career. This channel is for curious souls, the seekers, and the deep thinkers who believe that there's more to work than just a paycheck. We dive into the fascinating intersection of career psychology, destiny, science, and spirituality to help you uncover who you truly are and what you're here to do. So welcome to Ikigai. If you're feeling stuck in your career, even if it looks good on paper, you're not alone. So many people come to see us saying, I'm capable, but I'm not happy. I have a job, but it's not my calling. So in this video, I'm going to give you something better than just motivation. You're going to walk away with a breakdown of the Ikigai framework, the 4 powerful journaling exercises, and 1 for each pillar, and a real-life client example who found his dream job. And of course, as usual, a free worksheet to guide you through it all that you could download, and it's in the description. So this is not fluff. It's a deep dive, psychologically backed process we use with real clients at Mindful Career, and now it's yours. To begin, Ikigai is a Japanese word that means reason for being. It's a sweet spot where 4 things overlap: what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. When even one of these is off, you feel stuck, drained, uninspired. But when all of them are aligned, you're living in your purpose with energy and joy. This is your passion zone. It's what lights you up, even when no one's watching. So the first prompt, it's an Ikigai journaling prompt. List 5 items in your life where you feel most alive, present, and proud of something you created. So ask, what do these moments have in common? Write a passion playlist of things you could talk about endlessly. Include interests from childhood, hobbies, books, or side projects. So Ikigai journaling prompt number 2, what do people come to you for help with? What do you do that feels easy but others find difficult? So mini exercise, I want you to write down your 3 job roles or projects. Under each, list the tasks where you excelled and felt natural. Also, I want you to ask 3 friends or coworkers, what do you see as my strengths? So often our biggest strengths are things that you overlook because they feel effortless to you. That's your hidden goal. They're hard for everybody else. This is your impact zone. It's about your contribution. So what problems move you? So now prompt number 3, what injustices, gaps, or need in the world deeply bother or excite you? Who do you feel drawn to help or serve? So what I want you to do is write down 3 problems you'd love to solve. Then write who you want to help. So teens, entrepreneurs, women in tech, etc. So don't stress about scale. You don't need to change the world. You just need to help somebody. So now we bring it all together with real world value. This is where strategy meets alignment. So this brings me to prompt number 4. What services, skills, or results would people pay you for right now? So browse LinkedIn or Indeed, know 10 roles that excite you. Circle ones where your skills and passions meet a market demand. Identify the certifications, experience, and branding that might bridge that gap. So think outside the box. You don't always have to change who you are. You just have to change how you package it. As an example, River came to us feeling completely lost. He had a master's in creative writing and was freelancing as an editor, but he felt undervalued, underpaid, and underinspired. He said to us, I've tried so many paths. I've tried pivoting. I just want to feel like what I do matters. Here's how Ikigai map looked like for him. What he loved was storytelling, self-expression, and emotional healing. He was good at editing, guiding others, and creating trust. The world needed youth mental health support and inclusive spaces. What he could be paid for was program design, educational workshops, and content development. The result? He now works full-time for a nonprofit creating writing workshops for LGBTQ+ youth groups, and he still freelances, but now on his own terms. He told me, this is the first time I felt like me in my job. Would you like to map out your Ikigai the same way we did with River? Download our free Ikigai career mapping worksheet to go through all 4 quadrants with space to journal, reflect, and plan. The link is in our description. This is the starting point to getting real clarity on your next move. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you all.